The experienced craftsmen and amateurs can successfully work with these products. In order to create the exclusive interior, you do not need a huge efforts, and what is more, all the works can be performed by you yourself. The decor of wall with a Cracking Pro Retro filler, just like the other ways of decor, starts with the priming of a surface. For the priming, you should use a special Priming Pro Retro. If the surface is not primed by this particular priming, the special effect of cracking will not be reached. You will need a brush and a bath for the priming procedure. Before use, the priming shall be properly mixed. The surface which needs priming shall be dry, clean and without oily spots or other residues. The priming layer shall be applied twice. The first layer of priming desiccates in about 4 hours. Then the second layer may be applied. You may cover about 10 square meters with 1 liter of a Priming Pro Retro. When the priming dries, the surface can be covered by the Decor Filler Pro Retro. Before use, the decor filler shall be properly mixed. The filler on the surface is applied with a trowel. If the surface is rather large, we recommend 2 workers to be involved. One applies the filler, while the other forms the patterns. The filler applied has a specific smell. Despite this, it is recommended to ventilate the rooms only 6 hours later and not earlier, because the cool weather may lessen the cracking effect. The filler is shaped with the means of a filler spatula. 1 square meter of a wall requires from 4 to 8 kilograms of a filler. The cracking effect depends on the thickness of a filler layer applied. If the filler layer is not thick, there will be many cracks, but they won't be deep. If a thicker layer of filler is applied, the quantity of the cracks will be less, but they will be sharper. In order to achieve the effect of deep, sharp and big cracks, the layer of the filler applied shall be about 8 mm of thickness. The maximum cracking effect can be achieved only if the room is warm enough. It means if the temperature is not lower than +15 degrees Celsius. The filler can dry from 24 to 72 hours, depending on the thickness and the environmental factors. When the decorated surface is completely dry, it can be scrubbed with a scrub grit, sponge or abrasive paper. During the procedure of scrubbing, the roof and sharp bumps are removed. When the scrubbing is finished, do not forget to clean the surface from dust with a brush or other useful means. Only then the clean surface can be primed by the Polish Aqualac. In order to make the cracks highlighted, it is recommended not to cover them with polish. The color effect can be achieved by adding the desired color liquid pigment Pro Colorant. As well, you can use the pigment imposed for water paints. The colorful polish Aqualac is applied on the cracks with a brush and washed with a wet sponge. The exclusive effect or gloss can be achieved by using the polish of Pearl Gloss Polish Pro Deco Effect. The cracks filled with these products acquire not only the color, but as well the gloss of gold, silver or bronze. 1 liter of the Pearl Gloss Polish Pro Deco Effect enables to cover from 10 to 12 square meters of the wall. When the deco layer dries, the final layer shall be applied using the clear, matted or glossy polish Aqualac. You can create individual and exclusive interior by using the products of Pro Retro.